Okay, what we have prepped and ready in our beaker is purple cabbage juice. Well, really red cabbage. We soaked it, grated the cabbage into a bowl. Then we soaked it in water for 45 minutes to make this color. And now we're going to do an acids and base test with it. So first we add a little equal amount of baking soda to both of our test tubes.
It smells terrible.
And we're supposed to watch and see if it changes color. Does it say we have to stir it?
No.
Oops. We'll get an equal amount added once I actually scoop some up. Oh, it is changing color.
Ooh.
It's a bit hard to tell via the camera, but it's turning
lighter blue.
Yeah, this is our control one over here that has no baking soda in it.
Yeah.
These are the ones that do. I'm not sure why the camera's not really picking up that variation, but...
Yeah, it's really light blue.
Okay, what's the next step, Bailey?
Okay, the next step is add other substance to each test tube of cabbage juice with baking soda. With baking soda. What happens to the color? Can you change the juice back to its original color?
Originally it looked like this.
So,
currently it looks like...
in the picture it says it looks like it has milk, cola, lemon juice, or vinegar.
Okay, which one do you want to use?
I guess I'll use the milk.
Okay, so this one much deeper purple still, and also it's danger covered, so watch out. Okay, milk. We have vinegar as well.
So here's
We're
some
going
milk.
milk into this one.
Just to point out that my voice doesn't work
We
very
don't have a
well.
funnel. We're just going to have to
when I'm
wait
on a
because we
camera.
misplaced our funnel.
Should we put it
So
in here? My voice doesn't work very well when I'm on a camera.
you know what? You should hold the camera.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Well, my voice,
Filming. You're filming. Yes,
my
buddy.
voice, doesn't work.
Okay, you're filming currently, bud. Okay, how much do we add? Just some?
Yeah, I think.
Let me double check before we add the milk. Yes, tell people how it smells.
The cabbage juice really smells bad.
Okay. We're adding some milk. I don't think this will work. But I guess we'll find out. What are your observations? Is it turning it back to the right color? Or is it just getting grosser? It kind of is going...
It's kind of going back to its color. In the camera, it really does look purple, but...
Okay.
Okay.
So on the camera, it appears purple. But it's also getting a little foamy looking.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to add some vinegar to this one.
Vinegar.
Ooh! Well, that's getting a bit of a reaction.
Whoa! Did Bailey ruin the video?
No, it's fine. She's recording right now.
It seems to be turning a little pink and purple.
Yep. So adding vinegar, malt vinegar.
Oh.
Oops. Adding malt vinegar to it caused the substance to turn purple on top. But if you look at the bottom, still got the blue from when we added the baking soda. This one where we added the milk, it's gone quite, well, the camera shows it as a light purple, but we actually see it with our eyes as a kind of
Blue.
indigo-y, purpley blue. And here's our control, still the same. Boring, boring.
Boring.
Okay, so the next thing it says to do,
I
can you change it back to its original color? We don't have our last option. We will attempt to add some lime juice to it to see if that changes it back to its original color. It's on the list. When we add it to the milk, what happens?
I think it actually added less.
Adding lime juice to the one with the milk caused it to be that color.
It looks kind of
Quite
pink
the difference.
on your screen.
I will swirl the beaker together and see
more
what
of
happens.
A purple.
Swirling, swirling.
Oh, I can really
swirling.
smell that lime juice.
Yeah, does it smell better than the cabbage?
Yeah, way better.
Okay. So, that did not work. Lime juice to the milk actually just made it gross and foamy.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, don't worry about that. It's not going to explode.
It's really foamy.
But if we add a little bit to this one, what happens?
Swirly, 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 twirly, swirly, swirly.
I don't think we're going to be able to get it back to its delectable cabbagey nature.
Thank God.
Blech. Okay, let's see what happens if we add.
We're going to add some other ingredients.
Okay, what else should we try?
Maybe you should add.
I'm not sure what would take it back to its natural state. We don't have our main scientist here with us currently to tell us what to do.
Alright, she's at school.
Mm-hmm. It's not a PD day for everybody.
Nope. And
okay, just for fun, we are going to add.
do we have grape juice?
We do. Does it say grape juice?
Well, it says change it up. Repeat the experiment with grape juice
yeah.
instead of cabbage.
Okay, we can't do that because we've already got it in the beakers. So
okay, then how do we add this?
I say for fun, we add some. Here, come take it, please. Take the camera.
It says soap on one of them.
We are going to add some dish soap. Can you get your finger out of the camera? Thank you. And we will add it to the one that has already suffered through some lime juice and vinegar. Let's see what happens if we add dish soap back to it. Can we rebalance it? I don't think we can. Seems to be. Let's give it a little swirl.
Let me try one.
Well, what do you think? Less?
Less.
It's gone pinker.
I think this one's purpler.
There, let me give that one a little swirl without spilling it because it smells gross.
I just need to...
No, still smells gross. So, not only did the cabbage juice not change back to its original state, it did not get any better smelling.
We should...
You want to try lemon? Grab the lemon.
Lemon juice?
Yeah, try lemon if you want to try something different. Or that pop in the bottom. Grab the pop in the bottom.
Should I grab both?
No. Yeah.
Which one's pop?
Okay, so what we have here is a beaker that originally had the cabbage juice in it, then had baking soda added to it, and then we added lime juice and vinegar, which caused it to turn to this color eventually, in our attempts to turn it back.
Yeah.
We were unable to turn it back to its original color, so we washed out the second beaker, started again. So here we have the color it is before the baking soda goes in. The attempt of our experiment is to turn it back to its original color, which so far nothing we tried was successful. And nothing we tried smelled good either.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you see it has turned to a different purple hue, although for us it's actually blue.
That pop is like going to explode my ears.
We are going to attempt to add some Mountain Dew because that's what we found left in the back of the fridge from someone. Whoa!
Whoa!
That was kind of an immediate change.
Yeah, it turned purple. Like,
So
back to the...
did it bring it basically has
Yeah.
is bringing it back to its original color.
Mountain Dew, mommy!
Relax. You just don't want to smell it all over the counter later.
Yeah.
So, a lot closer to its original color than with the vinegar.
Pink.
Again, reminder, this is the original. Yes, it still smells terrible. So if we added this pop to this, would it return it back to its original state?
No.
No. Apparently it's a good thing we're not scientists because we can't get it back to its original base. Well, what would happen if we had the empty beaker, we added the delicious smelling cabbage juice to it.
Ew. Mom, it's not delicious.
And then we added the Mountain Dew.
Turns a lighter purple. What if we added some of that into that?
Some of this?
Yeah.
Don't know what will happen. This is already a cocktail of many things. Ooh.
Yay! It's like a magenta.
I think you forget the goal of the experiment was to get it back to the original color.
Oh, sorry.
Well, that's it for now. Clearly it's not going back to its original
Yeah.
color because we do not have the correct correct ingredients to change the pH properly.
I almost spilled the cabbage juice
yeah.
everywhere.
Try this experiment at home. You need red cabbage, or apparently you can use Concord grape juice, which we didn't see that in the fine print of the notes until after, which would have smelled way better. Yeah, definitely way better. Cabbage does not smell good, but it does make nice cabbage rolls.
Yeah.
Till next time.
And